Now to the latest out of Idaho. The judge presiding over the gruesome University of Idaho murder case has ruled to loosen the tight gag order that prohibited almost anyone from speaking about the criminal proceedings. So under this new gag order, prosecution and defense attorneys can speak on some matters now related to the case. And it does come as a new filing from Bryan Kohberger's attorney says that there is, quote, no explanation for the lack of victims' DNA evidence found in his apartment, office, home, or car. However, earlier this week, prosecutors said that Kohberger's DNA is a statistical match to the DNA found on the knife sheath that was left at the crime scene last fall. Joining us now to discuss new developments is NewsNation law and justice contributor and former FBI Special Agent Jennifer Coffindaffer. Jennifer, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me, Natasha.
I want to talk about this other major point because we know that prosecutors are consulting the families about seeking the death penalty against Kohberger. How common is this for prosecutors to seek the family's input on sentencing like this?
It's very common in a case where they've lost lives like this. They should have some input, and they will have input, but the bottom line is this prosecutor will make his own decision on whether they seek the death penalty.
You know, the prosecution and defense attorneys can now speak on some matters. The families of the victims can now speak to media. The original order went as far as including law enforcement officers or precluding them from speaking to the press. How effective are gag orders in cases like this? Are they largely irrelevant?
I think it's been very effective in this case in particular. There have been some, information gleaned from sources, but now I think it will loosen up in terms of actually having some information out there that the media can give that will be precisely on point because of the source. The source will be identified and will have inside information regarding the investigation.
Tell me what a big deal this is that prosecutors say Kohberger's DNA is a statistical match for the DNA that was found on the knife sheath. Is that a slam dunk for the prosecution?
It's very good information for the prosecution. And this is why before they used genetic genealogy to connect the dots, and that was much more complicated. In this situation, they are saying 5.3 octrillion, which I didn't even know that was a number before now, chances that it would not be his. So essentially, it's his DNA on there, and now there's a direct connect. And, it's just, I've said it before, the smoking sheath.
Yeah. And, meanwhile, his defense is saying, hey, no explanation for the lack of victims' DNA in any of his property. What is your response to that?
Well, just because they don't have DNA, it doesn't mean they don't have blood evidence, Natasha. So that blood evidence is not going to go away. It's going to soak into different places that he would have been if indeed it was exposed. But remember, he could have had plastic in there in his car that protected it from from the blood. In addition, DNA is degraded through cleaning products such as bleach. So just because you have blood doesn't necessarily mean you're going to be able to glean the DNA.
We also got a ruling on cameras now, and for now, they will be allowed in court. Kohberger's defense really did not want this to happen. It is significant. We know in northern Idaho at the trial of Lori Vallow, there were no cameras allowed there. What kind of impact do you think this will have on this trial?
Well, recall, the judge has withheld, though, whether he's going to keep this camera in place. So I can see that he's doing this for the purpose of hearings that are upcoming, but may decide to go ahead and not allow cameras if and when it goes to trial, Natasha. In other words, when victim witnesses would be on the stand, perhaps he's withholding that for that reason. But I think it's important for the public to be able to see these hearings. And so I think it was a good decision.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.